Hi guys, here's another YouTube video. Today is if I am better in garage or sound check. So if I get over 60, I'll be better at garage, or if I get over 20, I'll be better at sound check. But if I get over both, then it'll be a draw. Unless it is 60, if it's 65 to 70, well 70 to 60. And that's on 25, then that sound check will win. So let's get in this video. So if I go over 70, it basically automatically win. If I don't go over 60, then no one has a good chance. So this is garage. Am I better at garage? I'm not on my best form at the moment. My high score is 122, but really, I'm not on my best form at the moment, as you can see. I'm probably better one-handed at the moment. Well, I am kind of doing this one-handed. The only thing I'm actually doing with my other hand is the end button. But that's not one-handed because in one hand you can't do one-handed. So I could be better one-handed, but the only thing I did difference in this one is press the enter button. So let's go to game home now. So that's me in garage 63. So if this doesn't get 24, then I don't know why you've gone to multiplayer. Then sound check will lose. So if this does not get 24, sound check will lose. But if it gets 24, 25, then sound check will win. That was not even 1 second. Oh no, I can't get one wrong. That was less than a second. That was like 0.55. These are all less than a second. I should chill a bit. I'm going to chill a bit now. I don't really need to be under 1 second. I sure I can, but really, don't really need to be over 1 second. I'm just going to chill a bit, guys. Because I do have 6 seconds to this. Now we're over halfway. Oh, if I get one wrong. Oh dear me. All sound checked, Peter. I'm just trying to answer questions. So that's 84. Oh, this is looking good. 70. Oh, that one. Let's make a bit of a mistake there. Yeah, could be found lucky. Oh, it comes down to the final one. My favourite number is 77. Oh, they've won it! Soundcheck has won it! Soundcheck has won it. 24 2 minutes ago. 1-1. No, I went to 1-1. And what's the second question? I definitely put in 2-0. Something it come out 0-7. Yeah. So soundcheck win, guys. So yeah, guys. So soundcheck win this video. So they are the champions and they are the losers. So guys, please like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on the notifications not to miss another video. Bye.